Hey guys, today's Saturday, April the 15th of 2023, and I want to go over natural gas. Without any further delay, let's get into it. Liking the hockey stick setup, starting to get a tilt to the upside. Uh, Best entry level to get in. You're buying at the bottom of the barrel. Tom D. Mark 9th, 13th candle. This week we got on, they try to trap us, try to put more pressure, but somebody's buying it. I know I don't have, the pockets like that to buy it, but somebody's buying it. So whoever it is trying to say, hey, this is as low as you're going to go. We're going to fight you, and we're going to pop you and squeeze you. So that's what I'm seeing. You can see MACD on the weekly still positive, and look at that candle. Look at this big fat candle between the bulls and the bears. And it was the strongest volume, going all the way back to like April. Look at that. Strong volume. Something is going on. Something is cooking. I'm betting we're going to push higher. Look at the volume. Monday, bulls. Tuesday, bulls. Wednesday, bears. Thursday, bears. Friday, bulls. Statistically, Monday and Friday are the best days to the upside. And then, in the middle, but we even got Tuesday out of them. Normally these days are weak. And you can see that they took us all the way down to 194, but we came strong and popped it and closed at 210. So don't get spooked. But, in regards to the volatility, the most important thing is where we close of the week, and we're still in that range, which is perfect. I like that. Squeezes, give us head fakes, all that, noise and volatility. But the end of the day is what, speaks volume. Once we break the mobile band to the upside, deal with the 20 and close above it, it's going to start looking positive all the way to, test the 50 SMA. But I would like to see this Hekanashi candle here for Monday and Tuesday. You get these white ones and close above 216. That's going to look good. Let's look at levels real quick. As you can see, 194. We closed above the 50% right here. So anywhere between 204 and 205 is going to look positive. Even if we test it, we need to hold that for Monday. And you can see that on the weekly, it's kind of flat because we're kind of just oscillating back and forth around 209. So that's going to be another level that we need to hold. Even though they did this, we need to go back and stay above here. Targets to the upside, obviously last week's high, 219, 224, which is the high of, it's going to be last week, which is this one. That's just passing. And, once we get to 230, 232, it's going to get rough. It's going to be the battle is going to continue, but this is going to be really rough. 213 will be the high of Friday. So 218, that, and that's the 270 degree, and then the 230, 223, close to the 225, which is a 315 degree. What else? I don't want to make this video too long. Let's go to our statistics, our days. As you can see, Monday, weekday. You guys know, I'm not even going to repeat this. I want to save time. This is what happened last week. Strong day, down day, up day, and down day regards to trading days. These right here. Made it a little more easier because I think I got confused and I said some other days and I noticed it, but I didn't pick up on it on the editing. So in regards to weekdays, Monday and Friday are the strongest days. Monday and Friday in regards to trade weekdays are the strongest day. In regards to weekdays, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in regards to weekdays are down days. But in regards to weekdays, these are our best bets for bullish price action. In regards to trading day, Monday's going to be up, Tuesday's going to be up, Wednesday's going to be up, Thursday's going to be up, Friday's going to be weak in regards to trading days. The weekly is up in regards to the, not weekly, in regards to the average return by week. This is up. Average return by month is up. 418 in regards to calculations of money. You can see that that's a strong day, and that's a trading day that's up, although weekday is down. This one is one of the positive days from the 410 to the 419, and also 21 through the 24th, which would be, this Friday to this Monday, very strong in regards to percentage of making money there. Let's go now to seasonality. I made just a copy, a picture of this. So this right here, this line right here between the averages, that's April the 3rd. And from there on, you can see price action just chucking along all the way to like May 3rd. And then it kind of gets this little pullback, but then it continues chucking higher. So far, we haven't seen that. This red line shows you what's happened. And this is what happened Friday. And we closed up here. So let's see if we could follow this pattern and continue pushing higher. But that's the swing trade, and that's what I'm waiting for. It just hasn't really played out yet. In regards to my mind map, you can see that the large speculators have been now kind of selling a little bit, and commercial have been accumulating. You can see the low that we made on March the 27th, so April 10th current. They're buying, and large speculators are selling. Dates I'm watching, square of April, Gann square will be April the 25th, the 30th, this Monday coming up, and the 23rd. You can see sentiment is starting to get, positive on the daily. Nothing's really changed in regards to the Elliott wave. In regards to weekly cycles, someone have been asking me why are these dates always shifting, because these are dynamic cycles. These are going to be shifting according to the metrics in regards to price action that fluctuates. So these have shifted now to June. This is what the data is saying. I'm not going to argue. I'm not going to fight with it. This is what it's saying. So I have to, stick with it. So these are the weekly cycles. Now they're shifting to June around the 12th. The 141, the 123, and so forth right here. The dailies, they already, in regards to bottom departure, so these are uptrending. So this is what the data is showing, but, we just got to see what price action is going to, dictate and what it's going to do. Because I've always said price action is the king, and it's going to do what it's going to do. And lastly, you can see this is the square of 9. I use this a lot. We made a low on 194. And then we, started trending higher and closed at around 213, shy off of 214, which will equal to the 194 up here where they made a low. Key levels you want to watch, 211, 218, 225. Once we could get a close above 225 and stay there, a weekly close, this is where the bears are waiting for us here, and this is going to be a strong level, 233. If we could close above 230, 233, target would be 241. That's going to be nice, and 249. Then we start oscillating back and forth from over here to over here. But so far, we've been kind of in this rut somewhere all, between 211, 224, 25, and kind of trying to, put pressure into going to, 199, 194 now, and then just kind of oscillating back. But as long as we can stay above 211 and stay here, back and forth, and then break through the roof here, that's going to look positive. I think that's it. For me, just stay focused. I'm patiently waiting. I could tell somebody is buying. Whoever it is always, all right, they bring us this low, we'll pop it right back up. They push it down, we'll pop it right back up. So let's just be grateful and thankful that whoever these people are, institutions or, speculators, they're loading up the truck. As long as they're loading up the truck, something's going to happen where everybody's all on one side, then eventually it's all going to shift to the other side. We just got to be smart. Once we start going up there, don't get greedy and thinking, oh, it's going to go to the moon, like everybody says. We're going to have to start unloading and then let it go back down again and load up the truck again. I'm going to sign out. You have a great weekend, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.